Lay out the wall panels in the correct order with the ribbed side of the sheeting facing down. Raise the back panel and one of the side panels and position so the corner ribs overlap. Make sure the top and bottom channel of the side wall panel fully enters the cutaway sections in the channel of the back panel. Working from the outside of the shed, fix the top and bottom corners through the rib overlap. Mark positions at 600mm from the top and bottom and fix screws at these points. Raise the second side wall and fix to the back wall in the same manner. Raise the front wall and repeat the fixing process. Your 4 walls are now securely fastened. To square up your shed, measure the diagonals and make sure they're equal. Position the roof panel with the attached ridge beam over the apex of the gable. Working from the outside, fix the L flashing to the top channel of the side walls at the corners only. Place the second roof panel into the ridge beam, set in place and secure with screws. Fix this panel to the side walls in the same manner. You may have purchased an optional shelving kit and hangers with your EasyShed. Install these before fixing the roof panels to the back wall. Work your way around the shed, securing the roof to the side walls. To fix the roof to the front and back walls, measure the distance of the overhang, then add 10mm and mark this measurement onto the top of the roof at 500mm intervals in the roof valleys. Work your way around the roof and secure with screws. Finally, align your doors and fit the pad bolt hasp. It may be necessary to pack the bottom of the front wall with plastic packers or other suitable material. Position the hasp and secure with screws. It is essential to firmly anchor your EasyShed as soon as assembly is complete. Consult your instruction book for the required number of anchors. Drill the holes in your concrete slab and the wall of the shed. Insert the bolts through the steel angle and tighten securely. Repeat this process along the inside walls of the shed for the remaining anchors. Congratulations! You've now installed your EasyShed.